Smartwatches are becoming more important to our lives, and our Samsung Galaxy watches are loved by Android smartphone users for their great health features, sleek designs, and many cool watch faces. At last month's Google I/O, we announced the latest innovation coming from our long-standing partnership with Google. We are bringing the best of our two wearable platforms, Tizen and Wear OS, on one unified platform. Together, Samsung and Google have collaborated to optimize performance, meaning better responsiveness and longer battery life, a more consistent and accurate health sensor technology, and seamless access to favorite Google apps and services, like Google Maps. And if you are a music fan, you'll love its seamless continuity with the Spotify app too. Together, along with all the developers in this open ecosystem, we are changing the smartwatch game. To tell you more, I am pleased to welcome Samir Samat, VP of Product Management at Google.
Hi everyone, I'm excited to be here today with Patrick and the Samsung team. As you all know, Samsung and Google have a long history of collaborating, and whenever we've tackled problems together, the ecosystem has grown for everyone. At Google I/O last month, we announced that we're building on this collaboration by taking our partnership on wearables to the next level, by bringing the best of Tizen and Wear OS together into a unified platform. We're delivering three major benefits for consumers: better performance, longer battery life, and an ecosystem of apps that brings your wearable to life, including some of your favorite ones from Google. We've been working together to make apps start up to 30% faster, and animations and transitions are super smooth. To help you stay connected wherever you go, we've worked with Samsung to support eSIM with more carriers all over the world. We've also collaborated on the health platform to enable consistent and accurate sensor technology for health and fitness apps. And battery life, which is so important for a wearable, is also improved. By using smaller, lower power cores, we can do things like run the heart rate sensor continuously, so you can better track your activity during the day and your sleep overnight, while having plenty of battery to spare for the next day. Finally, you'll now be able to enjoy your favorite Google apps on the new Galaxy Watch. Whether you're navigating to a new coffee shop with Google Maps, listening to your workout playlist on YouTube Music, or checking in on Mom on Messages, you'll be able to experience the best of Google on your wrist. You'll also be able to discover new and popular apps from the ecosystem of Android developers through the Google Play Store. Calm, Strava, Spotify, and thousands of other experiences consumers love will all be available for the watch. But the developer ecosystem goes beyond apps. Watch faces are a critical part of any smartwatch and a fun way for each of us to make our watch more personal. I'm really excited that Samsung is making their watch face design tool available to Android developers, making it easier to build incredible watch faces and expand the selection for all consumers. I can't wait for all of you to try this out on Samsung's next Galaxy Watch, the first watch to launch with our new unified platform. I'm thrilled about our collaboration together and excited for the future of wearables. Thank you for having me here today.
Thank you, Samir. We really are so proud of our partnership with Google, who share our passion for innovation to make every day even better. Through our jointly built platform, developers are going to be able to use familiar Android-based tools and APIs to expand their apps' reach across the wearable ecosystem. For consumers, this means more seamless integration with all Android smartphones and access to top-tier apps on our upcoming Galaxy Watches. We've continuously worked to improve the Galaxy smartwatch experience, and we're bringing our knowledge from years of developing Tizen to the new operating system. With our deep expertise in sensor technology, we've been working with Google to streamline health measurements and metric computations. And we're making sure that everything, from heart rate to walking to exercise, is consistent and accurate. Smartwatches are often considered a companion device, but with LTE connectivity, you can still answer a call or stream music, even if you don't have your smartphone with you. We've incorporated our eSIM expertise, making it easier for smartwatches on this platform to be adopted by carriers, which means even more options for you, the consumers. This is what we mean by open innovation. We're also making it easier for designers to create new watch faces that you can use to customize your smartwatch. Our super easy-to-use watch face design tool will be coming to Android developers later this year, so even more cool watch faces can be designed for you. The joint development of this platform with Google shows our dedication to creating fantastic smartwatch experiences, and we're so excited about this collaboration with Google and other partners holds for the future of wearables. That future begins this summer at Unpacked. I can't tell you everything, but what I can share is that you'll get a seamless One UI experience on top of the new platform on our Galaxy watches. This means stronger alignment and integration between Galaxy smartphones and smartwatches. Let me give you an example. When you install a watch-equipped app on your Galaxy smartphone, it will automatically download right onto your watch as well. The layout of the settings menu on the watch more closely reflects the settings on your phone. And if you've customized your clock app on your phone to display the time in different cities, say Barcelona and Seoul, that information will be synced directly to your watch. If you block any calls or messages through your watch, One UI will sync the blocked list across your Galaxy smartphones. So, a new operating system and One UI. It's an amazing combination, and it's coming to our next Galaxy watches. Keep an eye out for them. And for users with Tizen-based Galaxy smartwatches, we'll provide software support for at least 3 years from product launch date. At Samsung, we are always working hard to bring the best possible experiences to you. And that's what our partnership with Google provides: ingenuity, connectivity, and an open platform that encourages endless creativity and collaboration. I really can't wait to see what the developers come up with and how you will use our new watch to stay connected, stylish, stay entertained, healthy, and more. For now, it's back to you, James.